Hello there, warriors. What if I told you that the ancient Mayans figured out the secret to strength and heart health ages before us? Chia seeds are small bundles loaded with goodness and nutrients. They are the tiny edible seeds of a flowering plant native to Guatemala and Mexico. Their exceptional health benefits earned them a spot as a staple in the diet and medical practices of the Mayans, as well as the Aztecs. Well, did the Mayans know that these seeds contain a treasure trove of fatty acids, fibers, and essential minerals that are crucial for our body? Surprisingly, the name Chia is the Mayan word for strength, so the ancient society was definitely onto something. Let's explore the world of chia seeds and what happens if you add chia seeds to your daily diet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Digestion. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. A single 1-ounce serving of chia seeds contains around 10 g of fiber, which contributes to 28% for men to 40% for women of the recommended daily allowance. Fiber is quintessential for the smooth functioning of our digestive system. Most fiber is insoluble and does not get absorbed by our body. However, it is essential in ensuring the regular motion of food down the digestive tract. In today's age, people do not consume enough fiber, resulting in chronic conditions due to inefficient digestion such as constipation or diabetes. While most dietary fiber is insoluble, chia seeds also provide a good amount of soluble fiber which form a gel with water. This soluble fiber is not only great for the digestive system but also a vital player in heart health. Number 2. Heart health. Chia seeds contain an effective antioxidant known as quercetin, which can help tremendously to reduce the risk of developing heart disease and other heart conditions. The quercetin works in harmony with the high soluble fiber in chia seeds to lower blood cholesterol and lower blood sugar levels, effectively lowering blood pressure and improving heart health. These tiny powerhouses are also packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids. About 75% of the fat in chia seeds is made up of alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, as well as 20% of omega-6 fatty acids. This superb ratio provides for the fortification of blood vessels along with strengthening bones. It is essential in maintaining regular heart rhythm, reducing blood clots, and reducing the risk of heart disease or premature death. While there haven't been any conclusive studies on humans, a targeted study on rats showed the use of chia seeds to significantly lower triglycerides and reduce oxidative stress. It was proven to prevent high blood pressure, which is the leading cause of heart problems. In a study review in 2021 involving 10 clinical trials, chia seeds were seen to affect triglyceride and cholesterol levels. It was discovered that chia seeds increase the high-density lipoprotein or HDL cholesterol, considered as the good cholesterol, which helps to balance the blood lipids and improves cardiovascular health. Most experimental studies on people with diabetes or metabolic syndrome responded well to a healthy diet that included 1 to 2 ounces of chia seeds per day, significantly reducing triglycerides. Number 3. Weight loss. In a study in 2021, the group of participants who had chia seeds added to their yogurt reported a feeling full compared to the participants who had plain yogurt without chia seeds. While it does not show significant weight loss results, the high amount of dietary fiber in chia seeds does not get absorbed by the body while producing the feeling of content or satiety. The fiber will help you to feel full for a longer period of time and prevent you from eating unhealthy snacks in the day. The high fiber content is also efficient at keeping the blood sugar levels under control. Number 4. Blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can reduce blood sugar level spikes in the body and help in blood sugar regulation. According to a study in 2017, 2 groups of participants were given flax seeds or chia seeds to find out which of the 2 were more effective at slowing down how the body releases glucose. It was found conclusively that chia seeds were better at reducing blood sugar spikes. The high fiber in chia seeds can help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, in turn efficiently regulating blood sugar levels. Chia seeds trigger a different low blood sugar response compared to traditional grains and could help to improve the glucose release in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Antioxidant powerhouse. Chia seeds are an excellent source of powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants protect the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid for a long time and benefit our bodies by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals, which can damage cell compounds if they build up in your body by causing oxidative stress in the cells. These free radicals are unstable oxygen molecules that contribute to aging, heart disease, and the leading cause for diabetes. Chia seeds contain a group of unique antioxidants that improve heart health, liver functions, and reduce the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. The powerful antioxidants in chia seeds include quercetin, myricetin, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and kaempferol. Number 6. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is our body's natural response to infection or injury, where the immune system dispatches white blood cells to fight against harmful or foreign agents to start the healing process. While it is a vital process to heal and protect our body, this usually results in swelling, redness, or fever-like symptoms. Chronic inflammation can lead to severe problems like heart disease, diabetes, or cancer, and hence reducing inflammation is essential for maintaining overall health. An unhealthy diet and most processed foods can also contribute to chronic inflammation. The caffeic acid in chia seeds helps in the fight against inflammation along with the rich amounts of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Adding chia seeds to the daily diet can improve overall health by reducing the effects of inflammation on our body. Number 7. Strengthening bones. Chia seeds are a rich source of essential minerals that are key contributors to bone health such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good bone mineral density, which is the sign of bone strength. Chia seeds have been found to have more calcium in one serving than almost all dairy products, which makes it an efficient way to strengthen bones and nervous system. Another animal study on rats showed that the group which consumed chia seeds for 13 months had significantly higher bone mineral density than the placebo group. Number 8. Versatility. Chia seeds are super versatile to use and jam-packed with nutritional benefits. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything without changing the taste but adding a lot of benefits. You don't need to grind, cook, or otherwise prepare them, making them a handy addition to all recipes. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, or added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. You can also sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. Plus, given their ability to absorb water and fat, you can use them to thicken sauces or as a binding agent. Oh my dear warriors, I will make sure to add a lot of chia seeds to my breakfast oatmeals and smoothies. Remember, the key to a healthy body is in the choices of lifestyle and food. Eat healthy to stay healthy.